Hello guys, thanks for tuning into my video. In this one, I will be giving you a full walkthrough of the Crypto.com exchange website, showing you everything you need to know from limit orders on the spot exchange to UC staking programs that are limited to exchange users only. So without any further delays, let's get right into it. So if you're new to the Crypto.com spectrum, the first thing you might be wondering is what exactly the exchange is and what separates it from the regular Crypto.com app. Well, the exchange is basically Crypto.com's take on a spot market, an exchange where you can place your own buy or sell orders instead of always trading at market value. It also features more advanced staking programs and perpetual contracts for the more experienced users. But we'll get into what all of this means in just a few moments. But first, I'll show you how to access the Crypto.com exchange. You'll simply want to head to your favorite browser and type in exchange.crypto.com. Now you can either create a new account or sign up using your existing Crypto.com app account. And if you're one of those extra cool guys, you can use my code SEBEX7BNSYR, but that's completely optional. Anyways, once you're logged in, you should be presented with this interface. This is the menu for the Crypto.com spot exchange, in other words, the platform where you will be able to place live orders for cryptocurrencies. They currently have three base trading assets that you can use to access all other listed assets. These are BTC, US dollar Tether, and CRO. I'll just stick with CRO and then select a currency I'm interested in trading for. Let's say Chainlink. I hit trade and now I'm at the spot market for CRO to link trades. I'll be presented with a live graph that I can manipulate by changing the timeframes or adding indicators for technical analysis. Down in the bottom right is where I will be able to place my limit and market orders once I have some CRO in my account. I'm going to make a full video explaining how to use the spot market specifically later, but for now, let's keep venturing in the exchange platform as a whole. The derivatives tab is where you will be able to find perpetual contracts. These are only for really experienced traders and come with massive amounts of risk since you are basically betting on whether an asset will go up or down in value. Margin trading follows a somewhat similar premise, but instead you're trading with borrowed assets, borrowing a total of up to 3 times your actual investment. Again, only for the really experienced traders. The next tab is lending. Similar to in the Crypto.com app, you can take a loan for up to 50% the value of your collateral. It's pretty self-explanatory, so I won't waste your time dwelling on this. The next tab, however, is where it gets interesting. Stake and earn. Here you will find a variety of options to earn interest on your assets and minimize trading fees, all rooted in the Crypto.com coin. The first option is to earn rebates on your exchange fees. If you pay your fees in CRO instead of the currency you are trading for, you will get 20 to 100% discount on the fee. How much rebate you get depends on how much CRO you are willing to stake. And staking on the exchange comes with a heap of benefits, completely separate from staking as you know it in the Crypto.com app. When staking, you will instantly get $50 in CRO if you stake at least 5,000, trading fee discounts proportional to the amount staked, and access to Syndicate events, which I'll explain in just a few moments. You also earn 10% annual interest on your staked CRO, paid out daily. If we scroll down, you will also be able to see their loyalty program, which follows the premise that the more you trade, the lower fees you pay. Heading over to the left, you will be able to notice soft staking, which is also a feature limited to the exchange only. Basically, it allows you to earn interest on your assets just for holding them in your exchange wallet. You don't need to trade them, you don't need to lock them up, you just keep them in your account and get paid daily. What's really huge about this is that it counts assets that are in order. So let's say you are selling some CRO for Uniswap or whatever, you will still be able to earn interest on that CRO. The interest here also increases depending on how much CRO you have staked. We move on to the Syndicate tab. Every now and then, Crypto.com hosts a Syndicate listing event that allows you to convert some of your CRO to a newly listed token at a discounted price. How much you can convert is once again dependent on how much CRO you have staked. The catch here is that the events have a cap in how much money they can give out, which means you will only be able to convert a bit of your CRO to the listed token. But the little that does get converted should yield some decent profit nevertheless. The next page is the arena. Here you will find trading related competitions where you can earn rewards for completing certain tasks. Usually the tasks involve making a certain amount of trades or gaining a certain amount of profit. And just like on the app, you can also find the Supercharger on the exchange. You pop some CRO in it and get rewarded with the listed token once the event ends. This green button to the far right is where you'll access the referral program. You refer your friends and you both get rewards in proportion to the amount of CRO your friend stakes. The final page I think you should be aware of is the settings screen, and most importantly, the security screen. This is where you will be able to add withdrawal addresses when it's time to cash out, and also enable 2FA for an extra layer of security. Another really handy page is the wallet screen, where you will be able to keep track of your balances and view your open and closed positions. Anyways guys, that's it for this quick tutorial. Really hope you found it helpful. If you have any questions or corrections, you are always welcome to leave me a comment. See you in the next video. Until then, have a good one.